Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can share the picture for our viewers, how we can share the folders to our friends, how we can share the videos, and how we can share the files and folder for the YouTube as well and for the friends as well. So you have to write here Google Drive. After that you have to come here Google Drive free cloud storage for personal use. Okay, so here are the two options. If you want to use this, you can use this. If you want to use for personal, then you can use for personal. You have 15 GB, okay, for store something. Then go to the Google Drive. I have already signed in my ID. So what I will do the new upload file folder, whatever you want to endorse. So now I am going to do folder, okay, for YouTube, we can say. Okay, that how I can share the link. Still you do not like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe. I have already this created before, but I am going to show you for YouTube. Okay, now I have to, if I want to get shareable links, so you can shareable link, but what I am doing, I am uploading the pictures here, and whatever I want to do, new folder, add a shortcut key, move to this, whatever else I want to do, I can do. So I can edit the picture as well. Okay, so rename. If you want to do add to start and shortcuts and anything, you can do by this. Okay, after that storage, you can see 15 MB. I have used this. So drop files here. So we have to drop the files here. What to do? Suppose I have to upload this, so I will drop here. Okay, it will come here. I have uploaded this. If I want to more upload, so what I will do, Fawad Khan pic I have uploaded here, so I will upload in this way, and like this it is being uploaded. Okay, I have uploaded this for YouTube, and if I want to get shareable link, okay, link copied to clipboard. So if I want to go to the YouTube, and if I want to add this link that my friends and something else can use this, so what I will do, I will paste this. Still you do not like and subscribe, first like and subscribe my channel, you must comment. In this way I have done this. Okay, so you can paste here as well, paste the link if you want to do, then easily you can use this. Let me show you something. I want to show you some proof. That how we can move there easily. So this is my video where I edit this, so I am going to show you. So now I am going to this. Okay, so you can see this easily. I told you that I have already used that folder which is showing here. Okay guys, now you people can use take the pictures from here. Still you don't like and subscribe, first go and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.